Hey, this DVD is a steal. Oh, I'm so stupid. Hey everybody, Steve from Resale Dojo back where we grow our reselling businesses together. And today we are going over another type of DVD that you need to look out for. And I am going to be giving credit where credit is due to someone who recommended for me to talk about this topic today. And the person who recommended the topic today was Shae from Spending Under 30. You can check out her YouTube channel here with her husband Tyler. They do some awesome DVD bolos and also do a lot of clothing bolos for you guys as well. Today our type of DVD is Steelbook DVDs. You need to be looking out for these because there's some really good money in them. Like most DVDs, you're going to want to look for the new and sealed ones like this one. This is Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. This one I got for like $2 or $3 at my local thrift store, and it is new and sealed, and it goes for like $40 new on eBay. And this one is actually low compared to a lot of the really high dollar ones that are out there, and I'll just be popping them up randomly down here on the bottom. But they go for some crazy money because there are a lot of collectors out there that want these DVD sets. And a lot of these are exclusives to certain stores. So this one is a Target exclusive that you can see right there. There are a lot of Best Buy exclusive ones out there. I think there's some Walmart exclusive ones as well. And as we talked before, there are a lot of movie collectors out there, so they are looking for the exclusives that are available, and these are only out for a limited amount of time. So if you do have them and you do find the exclusive ones, make sure you check the comps and see what the prices are going for. And not all the steelbooks are going to make you good money. I have a Scarface limited edition one that I'm going to be lucky that I'm going to make $12 because it's used. A few weeks ago I found a sealed steelbook of a Dane Cook comedy tour, and that one is going for like $6 new, which is a trash price, but he's also a trash comedian, so I guess the market is spoken when it comes to that one. But that's just to highlight that this is not an automatic buy. You need to check the comps, and not all of them are going to go for really good money. So once again, Steelbook DVDs are the recommendations for this week. If you have any of your own that you want me to show on my channel, let me know down in the comments or hit me up on Instagram, and I'll definitely give you a shout out when I cover it. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on the way out. If you like this video, YouTube's going to recommend a few more right here for you. Make sure you check them out if you have a little time, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.